Are your once gleaming marble surfaces now showing signs of wear and tear? Scratches, stains, and a lackluster appearance? We understand your problem. Over time, everyday life can take a toll on the elegance of your marble surfaces. But fear not, because we have the solution. Introducing Pride Plus Marble Polishing Powder. The secret to restoring the timeless beauty of your marble surfaces. Our marble polishing powder is a specially formulated blend of high-quality ingredients designed to rejuvenate and polish your marble surfaces with ease. Now before we apply the product, we need to make sure that the floor is nice and clean. Cleaning the floor is an important step. For that, we use another exceptional product known as Marbinol Extra or A7. It is a floor cleaner concentrate with a neutral pH. Clean the floor thoroughly using a single disc machine. Once the floor is cleaned, wipe the floor and dry the floor using a wet vacuum cleaner. Attach a new red pad for grinding using the single disc machine. Mix 2 parts of Pride Plus powder with 1 part of water to prepare a slurry. 1 kilogram of Pride Plus can cover an approximately 100 square meter of area. So prepare the slurry accordingly. To begin with, spread the slurry onto the floor. Whenever required, pour the slurry to get desired shine. Use wet vacuum cleaner to wipe the floor dry. Now attach white pad to the single disc machine and buff the marble surface. Slowly and gradually you could see the marble shine appear on the surface. A stunning, polished finish that gleams with elegance. Remember, Pride Plus isn't just a product, it's a promise to revive and protect the heart of your home. Transform your dull, lifeless marble into a showcase of timeless beauty. Look at the difference, it's like a brand new surface. Alpha Products. Prefer the brand that really works.